Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show some tips and ways on how to create a secure passwords to protect yourself online. Before I start showing practices I do to secure my passwords, yes, you heard it right, passwords. And I will explain later why I do have lots of different passwords. So I want you to think of all the passwords that you use. It can be your online bank account, email account, online storage account, or social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and more. Now I want you to ask yourself these 5 questions and answer it with a yes or no. Is your password length being at least 12 characters? Does it contain lowercase, uppercase, a number, and a special character? Is your password unique? Did you change your password in the last 3 months? Do you use multifactor authenticator? So I'm gonna show you quickly on how you can enable the multi-factor authenticator. So now you have, I'm going to do it on my Google account. So once I log into my Google account, I will go to security. And now I will scroll down and here I can see the two-step verification option. So I'm going to click on this arrow and then get started to enable it. So we're going to type in again the password. And you have to set up your mobile number if you would like how you would like to receive the codes, if it's through a text message or a call. So we're going to select a text message, then next, and then you're going to receive a code. Now put in the code that you received from your mobile phone and then click on next. And now you have the option to turn it on. So once you log in again on your Google account, it will always send you a code to your mobile number, and you have to put in the verification code that you received to your mobile number, and that's the time that it will allow you to log in. Let us look on how long it will take to crack your password on this table. And this explains why it is important to create at least 12-character password. If you're following me on Instagram, I've also shared some tips that can help you protect yourself online. And if you're not following me yet on Instagram, go find Tech with Steph and click the follow button. Now let's move on to don'ts and do's. When creating a password, never reuse a previous password. Do not use the same passwords everywhere. For example, you have a Google account, a Facebook, and Instagram. So make sure that you use 3 different passwords for these 3 platforms. The reason for that is just in case one of your platforms experience a security breach, so you still have the other platforms away or safe from it. And one of the most important things, be careful of what information are you sharing on your social media. For example, if you are going to be on a long vacation away from your home and nobody will be in your house, that's a big no. Never share this information. The best practice to make a secure password, always make sure that the password is at least 12 characters. It contains a number, an uppercase and lowercase, and a special character. Make sure it is unique and it has nothing to do, or it is not related with your personal details. Let's say your birthday, your first name, your last name. You may consider creating a password based on your colleague's neighbor's hobby. But if you run out of ideas on what password to make, Don't worry, you're not alone. So before I started using a password manager, I use passwordgenerator.net, and that saves me from spending time in thinking of what password to create. Now I'm going to show you how you can use the password generator. So here you can set up the password length that you prefer. You can select how many passwords you can how many characters password you would like. So let's say we're going to choose 16. Now it's giving you some tips that which are the characters that is weak and which are strong. So let us choose the 16, and then make sure that we select or that we include symbols, numbers, lowercase, uppercase, and we can and then exclude similar characters. So just make sure you put tick on these first 5 options and then select do not send across the internet. This is very important. And then generate password. Now it gives you your 16 characters password that you can use. You just copy this one and you can start using this password. If you would like to use the password generator, I will leave the link on the description below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click on like and hit the subscribe button below.